What is up, guys? Daniel Savage here, and right now we do have an Euro NZD chart. Sorry, it is 2:30 in the morning, so I don't want to hear no drama. I might mess up and slur my words a little bit, and I do got a sore throat and a stuffy nose, so bear with me, guys. I did say I was gonna have, no more videos added to this, course, because my graduation does come with lifetime mentorship, and it will come with weekly recaps, on my favorite pairs, which is these top right corner GBP pairs, and we'll also be doing, pairs on, what the students want to see. So, I mean, you guys will receive lifetime mentorship in the graduation, so you guys will have these weekly recaps and, weekly uploads. So, Euro NZD, I used to trade this pair. I stopped trading this pair because it just doesn't move how I like it, and I'll only get in this pair if I see a super clean setup like the ones that we had today. I didn't get in these pairs. I didn't trade today because of NFP, but I did get into a quick ass scalp for US 30. I made like 500 bucks. You guys can see that in my US 30 highlight right before NFP. And let's see what we have here. So we do have a market structure being broken to the downside with, our famous 618 and 50 entry. Boom, just flooding down over 117 pips with our pullback on our 15-minute Fibonacci. We could have got another entry or added more positions, and we were able to execute this in the Fibonacci zone right here, this green box, to ride this thing down and take profit 3 for 109 pips. So let's continue going back. So right here, this might confuse you, but the moment that you guys start, catching these confidence, seeing, just getting confident with my strategy and how I run my Fibonacci's, you guys can catch these little quick setups. They're very dangerous sometimes. This is why I don't like to trade this pair anymore, because, I would see a lot of these types of setups. So, I mean, we did kind of have a little push to the downside because we clearly didn't respect our Fibonacci's going to the upside. So, we only had one, option, either stay away or, maybe try to get in here. So if you guys would have got in here, you guys could have gone in here, this little push right here, and right here we do have a little quick wick and down for about almost 40 pips. Yeah, but that is the ugliest setup ever. It did work, as you guys can see. So over here we do have market structure being broken to the upside, wicking down, wicking right back up, consolidating a little bit, but at this point I'm pretty sure all of our stops are at break even, because as you guys know, we did hit the 23, and like I said, guys, stops to break even if you're not going to close early once it starts consolidating in here. And we did have an evening star, so that was kind of dangerous, but we were able to execute this trade. If we would have been patient, stops to break even, and boom, 121 pips. And as we can see here, we do have a downtrend. So these are my favorite, because over here we have market structure break to the downside, continuing. Boom, clean entry, flooded down over 96 pips with our pullback on the 15-minute and 30-minute. And over here we wrote this one down also very risky. And you guys are probably looking at like, yo, what was that X over here? So this X right here is, we do see more market structure being broken to the upside, but over here we do have an X because since we were in our entry, we did have more than 2, 3, 4+ hours of consolidation. So remember, in our notes section, what happens when we see more than 2, 3+ hours in consolidations within our price action? We need to cut it. This trade does not look good anymore. It's invalid, in my opinion. I would cut it in a heartbeat. I could be losing hundreds of dollars. I will still cut this thing. I will not trade on hope. You never want to trade on hope, ever. That will also be in my psychology sections in the graduation. But let me just give you a little tip. If you guys would have hope traded this shit right here, sorry for my foul language. Like I said, guys, in graduation, you will receive no mercy. When I do these add-on videos with you guys and these one-on-ones with you guys, I will literally tell you in your face how it is. But as you guys can see, we did consolidate for more than 4 hours. And what happened? We started flooding down. And we flooded down hundreds of pips down. So this is why you need discipline. Don't hope trade, because you will blow an account. Anyways, we did have another market structure push to this upside right here, because we did have some consolidation. And what do we do when we consolidate? We break out one way or the other. We did break out to the other, to the upside. This high right here, this little trade right here wasn't really super valid, but since we did have this consolidation, I did have a feeling that this was kind of valid because of that we were going to break to the upside and see new higher highs, and that's what we did. We opened up a non-risky position here. Let's just put that up here. And guess what? We rode this thing about 96 pips. You could have rode it for 96 pips. Another pullback right over here. Boom, for about 75 pips. So yeah, guys, like I said, you don't need to, just only trade GBP pairs. I just highly recommend it because you guys can see more cleaner setups than what we're seeing here. It works, as you guys can see. The strategy does work. It's just having, the confidence and, basically coming to one with these pairs. I don't know if you guys follow me. So if you guys can build confidence and get consistency, you guys will see these pairs that have happened multiple times before, and you guys could have gotten into these pairs and you guys could have made some money on them. This one was really risky, but it did play out until this thing flooded. So yeah, guys, that's it for Euro NZD, and there's a possibility, I'm not gonna guarantee it, that I will be coming back in here and basically giving you guys more add-on videos, just because I will be focusing more on the graduation, because right there, like I said, you'll never feel abandoned. There will be live and future content being uploaded every single week. In this top right corner, like I said, guys, it's 2:40 in the morning, so don't give me a hard time. It's very late. I'm a little sick, so cut me some slack. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next one.